Welcome to Virtual Bike Ride, where you'll be pedaling and steering your way through different courses virtually. But before we get started, I need you to go find some handlebars. Anything that is near you, be creative, something that you can hold and steer with. Here are some examples. If you need to pause the video, do that now and go find them. Alright, now you have your handlebars. Let's talk about how you're going to do this. First, you're going to need a space where you can sit. And then you're going to get yourself into pedaling position. Up on the screen is how you're going to be pedaling. Your feet are off the floor, and you're just going to be moving your legs in a motion like you would be riding a bike. Next, your handlebars. You are going to be steering along with the video. So if the video turns left, you go left. If it goes right, you go right. It is just that easy. You're going to have multiple courses you'll be able to ride on, and you'll have a little bit of a break in between to catch your breath. One last thing, be on the lookout for this gentleman. He may pop in from time to time in your videos. Watch out. Now, find a safe spot on the floor and get yourself ready to ride. You ready? Let's go! Start pedaling with those feet and steering with those handlebars. Break time! Take a second, catch your breath, but get ready for the next round. Ready? Let's go! Only a little bit left. How fast can you pedal those feet? Let's go! Break time! Take a second, catch your breath, but get ready for the next round. Ready? Let's go! You wanna go? Let's go! Game over. Thank you for playing.